Hi, just a short video to show you how to use a snuffle mat correctly with your dog and to explain to you the benefits of why you should use one and show you how much the dog enjoys it. Here's a snuffle mat. It's just basically a material based treat hiding toy that allows your dog to sniff through it, finding treats. There's Nellie who's going to be helping me show you how to use it. Here's some treats, which are just general dog treats. First thing to do is make sure that your dog's off the mat, as Nellie is. She's waiting patiently for it. So first things first, get a few treats out and just start hiding them in between the bits of material all over, which is going to encourage your dog to sniff through them and find them and use her nose instead of just her eyes, which is generally what happens when you're feeding a dog from a bowl. Generally dogs will always sniff first, but this encourages them to use what's natural to them. So we load the snuffle mat up with some treats in all of the different hidey holes. Never worry about using the actual treats and calories for your dog, because 15 minutes of using a snuffle mat is the equivalent to about 50 minutes of calorie burning exercise for your dog. Okay, so once we've got a few treats in there, just quickly to show you, then invite your dog on. Nellie, what's this? Your dog will instantly start sniffing, using her nose, which is what they're designed to do, finding the treats, searching them out. Now the easiest ones to find are obviously the ones that are in the little cups. She can see those, smell them easier. Then she'll start searching through, and you can see the way that they use their nose, that they sniff through, move all the bits of material in order to find the treats. It encourages natural foraging as well. Stimulates the brain. Obviously burns off a lot of calories using the nose. Hence the reason not to worry about using food. If you are worried about it, then just use some of the food that you would normally feed them on a daily basis to use as part of the exercise. Your dog really enjoys it. It's really good for them mentally, like I say. Improves natural foraging skills, and they just love it. They really do enjoy it. Nellie's used to it, so when she finds a piece that she can't get to, she'll generally try and manipulate the mat to try and knock it out of the way. Lift the mat up to roll it out from underneath a piece she can't get her nose under. But yeah, I mean, Nellie's used to it. You can see the way now she moves it to try and get to it. And the good thing is, even once all the treats are gone, the smell there is still there for the food, so they continue looking. And you can see how vigorously she looks through it, and how much she's using her nose and using how they would normally find things in the wild, rather than just walking up to the bowl and just grabbing the food. She's actually working for it. And when she's decided there isn't any more and she's finished sniffing, she'll come away from the mat. But if your dog ever decides to pick it up, start pulling it around, remove the dog from the mat, start again, get him to sit and wait, and then offer him back onto the mat so that it doesn't destroy it. And you're also probably better off using these on a carpet as opposed to lino, because they stick better, so they don't slide around and move. You can see now she's finished, so she's off trying to find food elsewhere that's in the bag there. So yeah, that's how you use your mat. Hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers. Bye.